Non-uniform motion of a particle. Hey everyone, I'm Swati. In this video, let's understand this concept. So what is non-uniform? A non-uniform is that motion in which the velocity non-uniformly changes, means it does not change regularly in regular interval of time, or we can say in which the particle accelerate or the velocity is some function of. So I have a problem on this, and we'll discuss this problem and learn the concept based on non-uniform motion. So the problem is the particle starts moving rectilinearly at t is equals to 0, such that its velocity v changes with time t according to relation v is equals to t square minus t. Find time interval for which particle retards. Okay, so in this question, basically, we have to find the time interval in which the particle retards. So for the retardation, it means that the velocity is in opposite direction of motion of a particle, or you can say that its velocity is decreasing. Okay, so where it's accelerate, the velocity is in opposite direction, or we can understand this as in a way that a particle retards when acceleration and velocity have opposite sign. Okay, so we have to find that time interval. So basically we have velocity, which is t square minus t. We can calculate acceleration, which is differentiation of velocity dv by dt, which is 2t minus 1. Okay, now I am calculating that velocity which is less than equals to 0, that is negative. I'm calculating negative velocity, means opposite to the direction of motion, only then it retards. So that means velocity is t square minus t, which is less than 0, take t common, and it is t minus 1, which is less than 0. So first is t is less than 0 and t is less than 1. This is not possible because here the time is negative, which is not possible. So t should be less than 1. Okay, in that velocity is negative. Now we have to find that time interval in which acceleration is positive, for t less than equals to 1. So now acceleration is 2t minus 1. Put acceleration to be equals to 0. So you have 2t minus 1 equals to 0. So t is equals to half. Okay, now half is that point when acceleration is 0. Before that you have acceleration, and after that you have deceleration. So we have to find that thing. So from t to be equals to 0 to half to 1, we have for 0 to half, if I put any value between 0 to half, acceleration is basically what? Let's take 1/4. So if you put t to be 1/4, it's half minus 1, it becomes negative. Okay, and from half to 1, let's put 3/4, and for 3/4 it is positive. Okay, so for half to 1, acceleration is positive but velocity is negative. For that time interval to be greater than half and less than 1, your particle retards.